Rajasthani or Rajput miniature painting is considered as a bright chapter in the history of Hindu miniature painting. Rajasthan is surrounded by Pakistan, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Rajasthani painting flourished from the 16th century to 19th century in northwest India. Two major factors contributed greatly to the development of Rajasthani painting. First, the economic prosperity enjoyed by the commercial community of Rajasthan, and second, the revival of Vaishnavism and the growth of Bhakti cult. We see in the 14th century the influence of poet, writer, and religious followers of Vaishnava cult like Surdas, Mirabai, Tulsidas, Vallabhacharya, Bihari, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Jayadev brought about great changes in the art, literature, and spiritual awakening of the people all over India, and it greatly influenced too Rajasthani painting. So it resulted in the expansion of the imaginative horizon of the artist and in the inclusion of subjects related to Sri Ramcharit, Geet Govind, the divine love of Radha and Krishna, Shiva Parvati, ancient tales, lives of saints, Barahmasa, Indian Rag Ragnis based on Indian classical music, etc. The Rajasthani miniature painting was developed in whole Rajasthan with their folk effect. So, Rajasthan art has little difference in different places of Rajasthan, which are known as sub-schools of Rajasthan. That is Mewar School of Art, Kishangarh School of Art, Bundi School of Art, Jaipur School of Art, Jodhpur School of Art, Ajmer, Bikaner, Kota School of Art, etc. The whole Rajasthan was affected by the attack of the Mughals, but Mewar didn't come under their control up to the last. This was the reason that Rajasthani schools developed first in Mewar. The oldest manuscripts of Mewar painting, Supasna Charyam and Supasnatham, shows traces of Apabhransh style. In 1571 AD, a large number of artists migrated from Mandu to Mewar. Thus, we can conclude that the new Mewar style originated as an offset to the central Indian painting. Rana Pratap's son Amar Singh produced a remarkable set of Ragmala. These are pictorial representation of Indian raga and raginis. Rajput king were great patron of art. So Rajasthani miniature painting also called Rajput art. The time of Jagat Singh, the Mewar painting reached its highest glory. In Kishangarh,
Art reached its climax during Raja Yashwant Singh. Later on, Raja Savant Singh was a great lover of poem, writing, music, and art. His pet name was Nagri Das, by which he became famous later on.
There is subjective vividness in miniature paintings painted in Rajasthani school. Painters choose their topics, themes as per the society's need. Religious themes were taken as a main subject matter for their paintings. Apart from this, artists also engaged with court scene and family life of royal personality. Some painters choose their topics from general life of the society, nature as well as architectural work, hunting scenes, romantic scenes, jungle scenes, moonlight, night scene also painted very well during this period.